Parts to whole, right? Just because a chunk of concrete doesn't float doesn't mean that a boat made out of concrete won't float. People are like, concrete boats floating? Yes. What is a cruise ship made out of? Steel, right? This is just this weird, yes, okay. Member of the jury, my client who is 18 years of age has been charged with having sexual relations with the plaintiff. Without the plaintiff's consent, because the alleged victim was just 17 years of age at the time of the encounter. But you and I know that there really is no magical age of consent. The age of consent varies state to state from 16 to 18 years of age. If we look outside of our borders, the age of consent can drop even lower. There's no justifiable age then at which the ability to consent begins. Hence, you cannot find my client guilty of crossing a non-existent line drawn. If we permit the state lottery, then someone will lobby for bingo. Once bingo has been established, casinos will be next. Everyone knows that casinos draw in crime such as prostitution. I don't want my daughter to end up selling her body on the street, so I'm completely opposed to the state lottery. Correct. I was forced to take 2 philosophy courses in college, both instructors challenged by faith. I think it's the best way to stay clear of, I think it's best to stay clear of philosophers. They're a bunch of atheists unwittingly doing the work of Satan. Hasty. Yes, the show in question is adult themed and should not be on during prime time when children might be watching. But one letter of complaint to the programming director is not going to get the station to move the show to a more appropriate time slot. So I don't know why you're trying to organize all of these people to write letters of complaint to. It won't work. So an individual letter is ineffective. Therefore, a pile is ineffective. Parts to whole. Composition. A large random sample of educators throughout the state rates the governor's job performance as poor to failing. Clearly, the citizens of the state are fed up with the governor's lack of leadership. Yes, because the sample is not random, it's just educators. Everybody understand that? Okay, that takes us to 6.7, and we're almost out of time, so we won't start that. So we just have a few sections left, which we'll do next time. And also, here's another extra credit opportunity. I want you to write 6 sample fallacies. So you go down the list, pick a fallacy, and create an example of that. Do 6 of those, bring them to class, next class, and when we finish, because we'll run out of sample problems from the homework, and then we'll have you guys read yours, and we'll try to figure out what fallacy you intended. Does everybody understand that? And then you'll hand them in for extra credit. Okay, that's it.